Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're gonna go through some designer inspired items, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. First are these new sandals from Madden NYC, very similar to the Hermes sandals. They have the square toe, the little cutout, flat with a little bit of a heel. In the black, also comes in the straw, and they're $20. And they also come in the orange. I know Hermes has a similar orange, like their signature color. Another Hermes dupe are these from Madden NYC. They have the round toe, the little side cutout, Velcro, and the footbed bottom, and these are $28. A lot of these dresses from Free Assembly are very similar to Ralph Lauren dresses. So this one with the eyelet trim, belted, smaller collar, full functioning buttons that same fit through the back, comes in the pink, also in the navy, and they're $36. This belted dress is another Ralph Lauren look for less. So this one has the smaller collar, full functioning buttons, has the elastic, the flat pocket, same fit through the back. Comes in the stripe, which is almost identical to the Ralph Lauren dress, also in the chambray. They probably have one like this as well, and they're $34. Polo look for less from Chap, so I think it might be the same brand. I don't know, maybe they got bought by someone else, but these have the round toe, rubbered bottom. These look so comfortable with the little tie, very on trend for 2025, and they're $28. New zip sweaters from Time and True. So these have that quarter zip, that seam detail, a drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, same kind of oversized fit through the back. I did see these online in some other colors as well, and they're $19.98. These before, they're from Time and True. They're a boat style shoe. They have that round toe, the little lace up, and then they're almost completely flat. These are $19.98. Here's another, I saw these online. These are the linen pants. How pretty is this new pink that they're doing? So they have a lot of pieces online in this. They have a high rise, drawstring side pocket, flowy leg, and that same fit through the back with the trouser pockets. So comes in the pink. They have the beige and white stripe, this navy and white, and the blazer, the linen Time and True blazer, also comes in this pink. I saw that online as well. Another Ralph Lauren look for less. These are wedges from Time and True. So these have the square toe, that little cutout detail, ankle strap, the espadrille bottom, comes in the cognac, also in the black, and they're $24.98. Looks like the Ralph Lauren option is $155. Sneakers from Chaps. These have the round toe, canvas, like a denim material on the side, and these are $25. They also have these sneakers from Chaps. So these have the round toe, the silver lace up with the rubbered bottom, and these are $25. And then also from Aerosoles are these little loafers. They have that buckle detail. It has this super soft kind of suede material on the inside, and these are $25. And then also new loafers from Time and True. These have that square toe, the gold hardware, chunky heel, and they're $24.98. Jimmy Choo dupe Ream boots. These have a round toe. They have the buckle. I think the Jimmy Choo boot has a little buckle up at the top. It also has the logo in the back, but everything else is very similar. The side buckle, also the coloring. These are from Time and True, and they're $24.98. Another Madden NYC shoe, but this one is a Celine dupe. It's almost identical with the coloring, and then also the way the white stripes are and the rubbered bottom. These have terry on the inside. They also come in this white and black, and they're $30. The Celine option is over $800. No Boundaries double slides. These are very similar to the Birkenstock Arizona, and they also come in this blue color. So they have the double buckle. They are adjustable. It has that rubbered bottom in the blue, white, and black. These are $9.98, and the Birkenstocks are going to be over $50. Birkenstock look for less from Time and True. These have the bigger buckle. I've showed these in a lot of colors. They have that round toe, the rubbered bottom, in the cognac. They're $19.98. And then another Birkenstock look for less from Time and True. These have the wrap with this little buckle, footbed bottom, black, the cognac, and white, and they're also $19.98. We also have these new Anthropologie dupe earrings from Time and True. So it has the silver, and they're $6.92. Also new Bottega dupes from Time and True. These have the top handle, snap closure, this little chain detail. Also comes with the shoulder strap. In the brown, also comes in black. And they are either $24.98. Yeah, I think they're $24.98. There's a few different Bottega dupes. So they have these little gold hoop 3-pack. It also has the coral and then the 3 little, you can see it looks like a set of 3, but it's 1 hoop, and you get the 3 for $6.92. Time and True bags. I think these are another look for less. They kind of remind me of the Pauline bags. So they have that crescent style with the stitching, the side pocket, in the nude with croc, and then the black with the matte, and they're $22.98. These new bags remind me of the Mary-Kate and Ashley bags, the row. So they have the snap closure, the little side buckle in the black, also in the nude, and I think they're $24.98. And they still have the Rothy's dupes from Time and True. So these are the loafer style. They have the round toe, the little side cutout. They're $19.98. And then this style also is another Rothy's dupe. They have the round toe, the little V design. I know these come in a bunch of different colors. I think they came out with navy for spring, and these are $14.98. Laurel Piana dupes from Time and True. These have the round toe, the little wrap, sling back, rubbered bottom, $12.98. I think they were like $1,400. These kind of remind me of Lele Seydoux earrings, but there's also a very similar Oscar de la Renta earring, and these are from Time and True. They're $6.92, and they're very lightweight. Here's a Givenchy look for less. It has the gold hoop with the little pearl on the inside. How cute. Those are $6.92. Also new from Time and True is this bracelet set. So kind of has like a Louis Vuitton look with the little clovers. You get the 3 for $7.88. They are individual, and they each have their own little clasps. Jessica Simpson jumpsuit, very similar to a Free People jumpsuit. Has the same exact stitching, smaller collar, zip, side pocket, flared leg, and then no pockets in the back. These are going to be $40. Another Free People look for less. These are from Madden NYC. These have the high rise, seam detail, the jogger bottom, or you can make them straight leg, and then pockets in the back. These are going to be $24.50. Also new sweat sets from Celebrity Pink. So these have that boat neckline, drop sleeve. How pretty is that little crochet trim? Super soft fleece, that same detail, oversized ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. Comes in the gray, also in the mint, and these are $16.50. And then to match, they have these shorts. So these have that elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, that same soft fleece in both the gray and mint, and the shorts are going to be $12.50. New colors in these pull-on pants from No Boundaries. So these have the elastic waistband. It says pull-on jogger. The ankle is gathered, has the cargo style pocket. So these are in the black, and they're $14.98. They also have the pull-on wide leg with the drawstring. In the mid-tone, like acid wash, they also have the solid black and solid white. Those are also $14.98. And then behind the jacket, they have these new button-down boxy jackets. They match back to those bike shorts perfect. So they have this drop sleeve, the banded wrist, tortoise buttons in one pocket, hood in the back with the seam. I really love that. And they also have that beige color. And these are going to be $19.98. New cropped wide jeans from Jessica Simpson. These are high rise. They have the fading, flowy through the leg, and they're $32.50. More fitted. They have the button option, the little V. They're super soft. They're slim fit through the wrist. They also have thumb holes fitted through the body. It scoops a little bit, and then that seam fit through the back. Comes in light blue, ivory, and the pink. And they're going to be $9.98. I think these shorts from Jessica Simpson could be like styled boho, and they might be bathing suit cover-ups, but I think if you wear the right thing underneath, you can wear them as shorts. So they have that oversized smocked waist, the ruffle trim, but same fit through the back, comes in white, also in that floral, and these are $16. They have a new style of cargo pant from Jessica Simpson. This one has the double button side pocket, flat pocket through the leg, that adjustable ankle, so you can do it either more tapered or straight leg, in the green, and they are going to be $29.50. New sweaters from Celebrity Pink. So these have that plunging V. It has the tortoise button drop sleeve rib dress with the rib bottom. The same kind of fit through the back in this blue floral. Also comes in that cream with the pink and gold bow. These kind of remind me of Love Shack Fancy. And then they have a pink with the hearts. Cute little like Valentine's Day look, and these are $19.50. Also new pointel pajama sets from No Boundaries. These have that V neckline, Henley buttons fitted through the wrist, shorter through the front and the back. In the pink floral, also comes in the gray, and they are $11.97. They also have these are skirts, so they have that ruffle trim, elastic waistband, same fit in that same pink floral, also comes in the gray, and they're $12.98. And then also to match, they have these wide leg pants. These have the elastic waistband, the little bow detail, high rise, nice and flowy. That's what the material looks like up close. Same kind of fit through the back in the pink floral, and these are $13.98. Also Hoka Dupes from Avia. These have the rounded toe, that foam bottom. It says fabric upper, lightweight. These are $22.98. I know we saw them in some other colors. Clark's Look for Less from Time and True. So these have the round toe, this little thong style. It feels like a really good faux leather material. Yeah, it's man-made. These are so comfortable, and they're usually available in wide width, and they're $16.98. This Celebrity Pink cover-up is almost identical to a Roxy cover-up that's being sold at Macy's for $80. This one is $24. It has the smaller collar, full tortoise button, longer length. They also have the matching shorts. These have an elastic waistband, and they come in white and black, and they're $18. And they also have a new one-piece bathing suit from Celebrity Pink in the same crochet, so it has that open back and then the little tier in the front. They might have white online, and they're $26. Brandy Melville Look for Less from No Boundaries has the zip, hood, cable knit, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. These are $16.98. I also shared them in some other colors. How cute are these new sets with the hearts? These are from No Boundaries. They have that elastic waistband, side pocket, wide leg. There's the white with the red hearts, also the matching tank, the matching shorts, and then they also have in the tank the blue and white and the black. The shorts also come in the blue and white and black. The shorts are $7.98. The tank is $5.98, and the pants are $12.98. Frame Look for Less jackets from Free Assembly. So these have this smaller collar, full functioning buttons, 2 flat pockets on the top, and then also below. The difference is comes with a tie belt, and the frame option has a little buckle. Has a really good length, comes in this mid-tone, also in the green, and they're $42. Another frame Look for Less from Free Assembly. So I think the difference with this one is the color of the buttons, but it has the same pork chop pockets and the side entry. Full functioning buttons with the contrast trim, and then trouser pockets on the back. These are $24. Comes in that same denim, and then also in the white. Also new from Free Assembly are these denim skirts. So these are full button. They have the side seam and then the seam down the back, and they are going to be $22. These dresses remind me a lot of an Abercrombie dress. I think they have different like smocking at the top. It has more of a pleated look, but they do have a navy and white stripe. It has the balloon sleeves, baby doll style. This one also comes in that white and green floral, which also kind of reminds me of an Abercrombie print. And these are $22.50. And I've shared these before, but they have some new colors in the Lululemon Align jacket dupe. So these are from Avia. Has that mock neck, the side seam detail, thumb hole, zippered pockets. In the taupe blue, green. They're regularly $21.98. Some colors are down to $15 online. Another Lululemon Look for Less. These are the ribbed wrap top fitted through the leg in the green. They also have black and blue, and they're $14.98. And then to match, they have these long line cutout tanks. So these have that sleeveless built-in shelf bra, that cutout detail, a little bit of a racer back in that same blue and black, and they are $12.98. And then they also have in the ribbed this one shoulder from Avia in the green and the black, and they're $12.98. Right next to that, new colors in the flared Avia pants. These are high rise. They have the side pocket fit and then the perfect amount of flare. In this new pink, we saw it in the green, black, and burgundy, and they're $15.98. Also new windbreaker shorts from Avia. These have an elastic waistband, a drawstring, the seam detail in the orange, black, turquoise, and then it looks like beige, and they're $12.98. And then I showed these tanks like a couple weeks ago, but they all match back to the short. So they have that scoop neckline, sleeveless, relaxed with that really cute little cutout detail in the turquoise white. There's orange and black, and they're $9.98. Also new Buttercore shorts from Athletic Work. So these have that wrap style front, the side pocket. These are so nice for the price, $10.98. We also saw the little skirt, and then they also have the leggings and then those long line bras. And then I also saw online that they have an active dress. So these are flying off the shelves. There's hardly any sizes left in store. And then also online, the leggings are $10.98. The sports bras are also $10.98. Also from Madden NYC. So these are very similar to the Steve Madden slide sandals. These have that rhinestone. They also have the same rhinestone trim. Obviously they're made by the same company, but these are more than 50% off. So they're $22. I think the Steve Madden version is going to be over $60. Another good, almost identical Steve Madden heel. So these are from Madden NYC. They have the square toe kitten heel. On Nordstrom, they're over $100. These are going to be at $26. They have the little ankle strap. Also new fisherman style sandal from Madden NYC. These have the round toe, the chunky heel, little sling back, adjustable buckle, and they are $28. New shoes from Madden NYC. So this is a mesh flat, has that round toe, the one little strap, chunky heel, just a little bit, and these are $25. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.